If your microwave could talk, it'd say plasma is its wild side. Curious? Let's see what happens when power gets pumped up. Today's date, September 30th, 2025. Place Princeton, New Jersey. When you crank up the power in a microwave plasma system, the electromagnetic fields start acting like a wild roller coaster. More power means stronger, faster changing fields. Think of it like turning up the volume on your favorite song, but push it too far, and things get unpredictable. For more cool physics insights, visit physicistparticle.com.